Hello everyone, and welcome to this very first video on this channel. This channel will be run by two guys, by two brothers, twin brothers. As you can see in the channel's name, we started day trading options roughly 3 months ago, and the idea behind all of this is just to give you guys a realistic approach and image of this whole thing of day trading options, day trading stocks in that matter. So yeah, today's video will be given to you by John, one of the twin brothers, and I'm just gonna show you my trades today. It's been an easy day, just a little bit in the green, basically break-even day. I was defensive today because, well, first of all, it's Monday and I had a red week last week, so it was a little bit down, so we just wanted to start this week being defensive, just trying to stay above water. And so that was basically the idea behind today's trades. So I had 3 trades, 1 in forward and 2 in upper. So I'm just gonna take you through my names today. Basically I had 4 names and 1 alerted. The upper one was alerted. I had Snap, Sophie, Piton and forward. So yeah, that was my level of interest, or let's say area of interest. We had this sell-off upon earnings, tried to recover, but I couldn't push through this area. And I've noticed from the past that 1810 was getting rejected a couple of times. So 1810 was my point of entry if I see some weakness in the market, which I kind of saw today. So market was like pushing, making higher lows in pre-market, and the forward was selling off, tried to recover but couldn't, and sold off again. So yeah, out of the open, I'm just gonna take you through the trades. Pushed up here. The orange levels are the pre-market levels. It pushed through the pre-market levels into my zone, to my area, and as I guys told you, 1810 was my area. I saw the 1810 printed, so on the tape just once or twice, and then got rejected again to the 18.7. So I just got in there, got filled 18 puts at 0.45 and risking this upper range of that zone. So down. I took only 1 contract because I was trying to take a defensive after the last week, and because it's Monday, and just want to start the week above water. So I took one there, the very top here. I was watching now pre-market if it's gonna hold or not. Got rejected there, and this was my stop loss here. If I got rejected, if we push through it to the upside again, this did not happen. Minute closed, both minutes closed there, and then we pushed through pre-market with kind of higher volume, and we had this minute here on even lower volume than this one, which is something that made me okay. I think you might want to exit, so I just gave a little bit of time. Then my new stop loss was, mental stop loss was this, the wicks of those candles there. So pushed above them and you just got out there, just $6 profits, basically nothing, just paid commission, went out break even. So that was the first trade. And then I'm gonna take you guys to upper. That was so I had those 2 levels I'm trading off. So basically supply and demand zones, trading off of them. Pushed through the open into it, sold off again. So my idea was, if we push into it, and if I see some weakness, with also some weakness in the market, as you can see there, I might be willing to enter 1 contract there again, low size, small size, because of the reasons I've mentioned already. So seeing it there, seeing it reject the day high, the first candle, I wanted to enter here, but because of this higher volume in this minute, I did not want to enter it. So this rejection, we tried to push then the next candle, but got rejected again. So entered there. This is actually the entries are by the second, so it's actually there where I entered. The price was there, and I was risking the day high, which is like 10 cents, very tight stop loss. And because I had only 1 contract, my PT, my first PT was the 17340-ish area, because it had a lot of rejection and was like support here and resistance here and then support again. So that was my PT for the first contract, which is in this case the only one I had. If I had to, I would have had one until here, but basically my second PT would have been the this area 17281. And then yeah, I had like $15 profit on this one, quite good, not bad, so I took it and ran away with it. Then the second trade, to be honest, I think I could have called it a day here and could have been better, but I thought maybe let this develop a bit and then see what happens. So again, this was my area I'm trading off. I've noticed those rejections here, like it's getting rejected every time around the 1980. So my next idea of my trade was to see an entry around there and risk the basically this D1970. I got in there, one calls 175 calls at 117, and then pushed like a little bit, then pushed through. Market was sold off crazy at that moment of time, and then I saw the market selling off, volume elevation here in this minute and the next one, so I even got out before my stop loss. I exited there at 107, using like $10 on this contract. So all in all, was a not interesting day. Just wanted to start this channel, the first video, with some trades that I took today. So hope you guys liked it. This is me, John. Again, Zak will be posting as well some videos throughout the week, so we're just gonna see how it's gonna work out. Maybe 2 or 3 videos from each one of us. Yeah, and that's it. Let me guys know what you think about it. Hit that thingy up, like thumbs up button, and like it, and leave comments if you wish to interact with us, to interact with others, to see, like, ask us questions about entries, about stop losses. Yeah, have fun guys, and see you tomorrow.